Earlier this week, the Liberal Transport Minister Marc Garneau announced that DOT 111 railway cars were being phased out 6 months ahead of schedule. These are the same rail tankers that were carrying crude and were involved in the Lac Mégantic disaster that took 47 lives and that have also been involved in other crashes in both the United States and Canada. So not only are the Liberals re-announcing a decision made by the former Conservative government in 2014, but they're also avoiding the real issue at hand. Garneau is quoted as saying, "By removing the least crash-resistant tank cars in service, we continue to modernize how dangerous goods are shipped in Canada and further protect Canadians and their families who live near Canada's rail network." So you know what would really further protect Canadians and their families from disasters just like Lac Mégantic? I'm sure you know where I'm going with this. Building pipelines. The risk of explosion involved in transporting oil by rail is what makes it so dangerous. Just one crash can take lives and destroy families and communities. Rail tankers aren't 100% crash resistant, and Garneau himself said that only the least crash resistant tankers will be phased out. Crashes are completely avoided in transporting hydrocarbons with a pipeline. Unlike the Conservatives, the Liberals continue to stall on these decisions regarding pipeline infrastructure. Since 2012, more and more oil has been transported by rail because we don't have the pipeline capacity to transport the resource. With more pipelines being stalled, more oil will be transported by rail tanker, which means there will be a higher risk of explosion, which in the Liberals' own words will mean less protection for Canadians and their families living near rail networks. Once again, this government is proving that they're too wrapped up in how the world perceives them on the climate change front than what their real job is, protecting Canadians. For the Rebel.media, I'm Holly Nicholas.
Thanks for watching. Click here to never miss a Rebel update. Want even more of the Rebel? Well, click here to become a premium member.